Are you unable to log into your business email through Outlook? That's more than just frustrating. It can actually disrupt your entire workday and leave you disconnected from clients, colleagues, and important updates. The key is figuring out exactly what's blocking your access so you can resolve it quickly and get back to business. In this video, I'll show you practical solutions to fix the problem. And if you need more help, then you can get expert assistance by calling at the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Restart the Outlook service. Go to the search section in the taskbar, type Services and open it. In the Services window, look for the Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistance and right-click on it. From the Open List box, click on the Restart option. If restarting Outlook does not fix your problem, move on to the next one. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if these methods help you fix your problem. Method 2. Repair the Microsoft 365 for Business. Go to the Start menu, search for Installed Apps and then click on it. When you're in the Install App page, search for Microsoft 365 for Business. Next, click on the three little dots next to the option. From the options, you need to choose Modify. After some time, you will see pop-up prompt on the screen. Make sure to choose the Quick Repair option and click on Repair. Open your Microsoft Outlook and see if you're able to log in with your Outlook email now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.